Hey guys, Dan Harrison with Remax Professionals. Today I'm coming at you with a video for my homeowners, and it's another simple one so that I find that sometimes the simple ones are the hardest ones because people don't understand what happened and they ask questions after they've hired a professional to come out and fix something that was barely a problem. So today we're going to be talking about GFIs, or ground fault interrupt circuits. And what GFIs are in place to do is to help protect you from getting electrocuted, really. They detect a voltage drop between sides and will pop the circuit. Most of the time you see GFIs in areas that are near water, bathrooms, kitchens, outdoor outlets. One of the tricky things about GFIs is that sometimes a GFI can be in one bathroom. Like in my house, my kid's bathroom has a GFI with the buttons, test and reset on it. If their GFI pops, the outlets in my bathroom go dead as well because they're in line, as the electricians would say, and that means that GFI is protecting us on both ends. So sometimes it's a situation where if you lose power in a kitchen, if you lose power in a bathroom, a laundry room, or outside, it might be a GFI for you to check on. In a minute I'm going to show you a GFI and how they work. As with anything electrical, if you're not certain or uncomfortable, don't attempt to touch it. That voltage can literally kill you. But I think just a basic understanding helps you be able to go, oh, my GFI popped because of my hair dryer, and then that be something you might be able to reset. So we're going to cut here in a second, and we'll look at a GFI and talk a little bit more. We're back with you, and I have the camera set up looking at a GFI. Now this GFI doesn't have any colors. Many times you'll have red on the top and black on the bottom. The red is the reset, the black is the test. And what happens when you hit the test is it pops out the reset button. Now there should be no power to this GFI. I would just simply push reset to reset the power. Now I would warn you, GFIs are one of the most commonly miswired electrical appliances in a house, and so do not ever just trip that thinking you won't have power there. It's important. Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, they all sell a real cheap power tester. I would say as a homeowner, you should absolutely have that. It would help protect you as well as help you identify problems. But a lot of times when that GFI trips, it's just as simple as pushing that reset button in your back. Obviously, it could be the sign of a bigger problem. So if it continues to happen, you want to get in touch with somebody who's qualified, licensed to help you with that. You can give me a buzz as always, and I'll get you involved with a contractor or give you a referral or help you answer some questions. So I appreciate you being a client. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you soon.